Welcome. If you're looking for a way to keep your Instagram view counts notifications private on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide those notification contents, so your Instagram activity stays just for your eyes only. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want a cleaner lock screen, these updated steps will help you out. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings app. This is where you control all your device preferences, including notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, look for Instagram in the list. You might need to scroll a bit, especially if you have a lot of apps. When you find Instagram, tap on it to open its settings. Now tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly how and when Instagram notifies you. Under the Instagram Notifications section, look for an option called View Counts. This is the specific notification type that alerts you when someone views your content or when your content receives new views. Tap on View Counts to open its notification settings. Here's the important part. Tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a few different options for how notifications appear on your lock screen. Choose Hide Content. This setting ensures that while you'll still get notified about view counts, the actual details won't be visible on your lock screen. Instead, you'll see a generic notification, keeping your Instagram activity private from anyone who might glance at your phone. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your Instagram notifications and boosted your privacy. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these steps again and select the option you prefer. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this.